Thank you, Sally. Hi, good morning. My name is Chris Scott. I'm the Head of Operations with Outdoor Recreation in Northern Ireland. I've been asked to give a perspective of what we're doing in Northern Ireland. I think I've got about 30 seconds left, so which is probably about ample actually for what I can talk about. It's always fascinating to follow England, Scotland and Wales and all the examples there. It was great to see the spirit of sharing from you, and we definitely be making use of that because we have a lot to pick up on and a lot to learn. So outdoor recreation in Northern Ireland, a little bit different from the other presenters. We're a small not-for-profit organisation. We're based in Belfast in Northern Ireland, but our work is throughout Northern Ireland and increasingly the Republic of Ireland now as well. So we're a bit more practical in our approach. We like to put things on the ground. So there's walking trails, canoe trails, horse riding trails, etc., etc. A lot of the same work you've been doing in your own various estates. You talked there a lot about collaboration, partnerships, working together. Unfortunately, in Northern Ireland for the last 3 years, we've been doing the exact opposite of that. So we all got very excited back in December 2016 with a brand new programme for government, health and wellbeing, which right at the top of the tree, mental health acts, children and young people's strategies, all part of that. And then our politicians went on holidays for 3 years, and they've just returned, which is great. And they've had a fantastic time, and they're renewed and ready to go ahead with a new strategy called a New Decade, a new approach. And it's great to see, in fairness, that there are still things like children and young people strategies. There's a new environmental strategy out for consultation at the moment. So that gives us an opportunity as an organisation to engage and hopefully bring outdoor recreation and the value of outdoor recreation to young people on the agenda. So it's been a frustrating time for us, hence I have quite a challenging presentation, which is why I should take a few minutes. However, in Northern Ireland there are some green shoots. There are some great green shoots taking place, particularly within primary education. The world around us is one of the key pillars within primary education in Northern Ireland. Again, we've more work to do, absolutely. When you look at the curriculum there that Sue presented from Wales, goodness, we have a lot more work to do. But it was great, and it's funny. My son is 5 years old and has just joined. Primary education is 4 to 11 in Northern Ireland, and has just joined. And there's a lot of good organisations doing great work with schools. So RSPB Northern Ireland, Ulster Wildlife Trust, National Trust, and so on. And I was carrying along a towpath with my son on Saturday actually, and we stopped all of a sudden, which very rarely happens. And Joe sat down on a bench and he just said to me, "Daddy, just stop and listen." And I said, "This never happens." And we sat and listened to a bird, and he was like, "Karen told me it's important to stop and listen to birds." And it was a very powerful moment for me because he never stops and listens to me. It was great to see him taking that in. Karen, as it turned out, was an officer with RSPB because it was through over a number of weeks. So the work you're doing does connect, and I speak from a parent's perspective, it definitely does connect with children. So we have certainly green shoots in our primary education. Actually, in our secondary education, it probably gets a bit more league table based. You mentioned that Sally, in your case, a bit more with the standard subjects and less connection with nature. Again, work to do. Eco Schools, though, is again another great initiative. It's not just unique to Northern Ireland, but Northern Ireland have really embraced this. Over 1,000 schools in Northern Ireland have signed up to the Eco Schools system, and actually Northern Ireland, I think, is ranked 6 out of 16 nations across Europe and the world. So probably punching above our weight slightly as a small nation there. And again, that embeds the environment into decision making and led by the pupils, which is the most important thing about that. I haven't got time to go into a huge amount of detail, but it talks about food waste or energy use, climate change. But for outdoor recreation, it's active travel, it's biodiversity, it's health and well-being, and so on. So a great scheme and something we want to push for moving forward. We've been going through a period, whilst our national politicians have been on their 3-year holiday, our local councillors at the local level have been working very hard with community planning. People in Scotland will be very familiar with the community planning process. And that's been great to see, because that's the voice of the people bringing forward what is important to them in their local area. So this is just one council area. F&O stands for Fermanagh and Omagh, southwest Northern Ireland, the border of Donegal. And you can see there in the environment, that's what the public have told their council is important to them. The challenge for us now is to turn plans into action. And working as an organisation as Outdoor Recreation in Northern Ireland, and to work with those local authorities and give them guidance and give them support. And that's why coming to events like this are so important for us as an organisation. Work we do, as I said, we're coming to an end of a 5-year strategy now. We'll be launching our new strategy in May. I'm not going to go into that in detail now because I don't have time. We just want to focus on one of them, which is delivering and managing quality outdoor recreation projects, and that's where a lot of our work links around play at the moment. We work in a model where we demonstrate best practice as well as we can, and try and multiply that then across the country. And we have stolen all those ideas from attending ORN and CRN events for the last 10 years. ORN and VSG have both been absolutely invaluable for us as an organisation. So these are just some examples of play and moving play on from the typical, we call them the KFC play parks, the plastic swings and roundabouts. This is working with private sector this is Ballinhinch, just outside 20 minutes from Belfast. ORN visited here in the conference a few years ago. That's the Mourne Mountains in the background in County Down again. That's the second largest hedge-based maze in the world. Those Hawaiians got the record on that one. Again, this is another one in Tullamore. So we're putting those on the ground to demonstrate to councils, demonstrate to local authorities, demonstrate those how it can be done. And we've taken a lot of those ideas from our counterparts in forestry commissions and forestry unions and so on. This is one we're currently working on at the moment, the largest outdoor adventure play site in Ireland, and that will be in County Armagh, and that should be opened later on this year. So it's a very quick snapshot. We're quite practical in our approach, and we're really looking forward to the next couple of days to be further inspired and further informed about the work you're doing and bringing that back and championing that within Northern Ireland. I should say, as one parting shot, there's a lot of detail in the slides here this morning. Just to remind you that all the slides are available after the event, and everything emailed out to you after the event. So if you're to take notes if you wish, but the slides. Okay.